Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Bitcrush in FL Studio. Bitcrushing is an audio effect that intentionally reduces the resolution of a sound, making it sound more digital, gritty, or retro. It achieves this by lowering the bit depth and sample rate, which are fundamental aspects of digital audio. This technique can add a unique character to your tracks, transforming clean sounds into something more raw and interesting. We will explore how to apply this effect effectively. FL Studio provides an excellent tool for bitcrushing called Fruity Squeeze. You can find it in your effects slot. The key controls here are the bit knob, which reduces the bit depth, and the rate knob, which lowers the sample rate. Start by setting the bit knob to around 8 bits for a noticeable effect, then adjust the rate to about 1/4 of its original value. Remember to use the mix knob to blend the process sound with your original audio. To take your bitcrushing further, try some advanced techniques. Parallel processing is fantastic. Route your audio to a send track with Fruity Squeeze, then blend it back in. Automating the bit and rate knobs can create exciting, evolving textures throughout your track. Also, consider pairing bitcrushing with other effects. For instance, a subtle low-pass filter after the bitcrusher can tame any overly harsh high frequencies, making the effect more musical and less jarring. Bitcrushing offers a wide range of creative applications. For drums, a subtle touch can add punch and a lo-fi texture, making them cut through the mix. On synthesizers, pushing the bit and rate knobs to their extremes can instantly transform them into retro video game sounds, like those from an 8-bit console. Even vocals can benefit from a light bitcrush, giving them a distinct telephone or radio-like quality. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings on various elements in your mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.